Hi, today I'm going to make a video about the IRS child tax portal tools. In this video, we're going to speak about the first application that I spoke in my recent video, right? I explained every single IRS portal tools about the child tax credit that you need to know. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications bells because I got you many great information on these videos, right? So make sure you watch that video. It's going to explain everything that you need to know so you can check up on yourself if you want to go see more information, right? But in this video alone, we're going to talk about the child tax credit non-filer sign-up tool, okay? Now, this specific application is for people who didn't file their taxes, okay? So if you didn't file your taxes for 2020, you're not planning to file taxes, you're not going to file taxes because you don't have to, then this application tool is for you if you have, again, children that are dependents that qualify for this child tax credit, okay? Again, you can receive up to $3,600 per child, all right, to the end of the year, or you could get it in payments before the end of the year, right? So you choose which one, all right? Now, you guys already know it was ranged from 2,000 or 3,000 for children. I think it might be over the age of 6, and from 2,000 to even 3,600 for children under the age of 6, right? So the limit was pretty much now that what children qualifies from 16 to 17 now, all right? But not only that, college students also qualify if you're the age of 18, okay? So if you're 18 years of old in college, I think you may be able to qualify, right? So make sure you check that out, right? So as we begin, this is a child tax credit non-filer sign-up tool. All you gotta do is go to irs.gov. Remember, make sure it's .gov. If it's .com, it's fake. Do not put any personal information right there. Make sure it's .gov and make sure everything's secure, right? So who should use this tool? Again, if you're not required to file a 2020 tax return this year, not planning to file one, or you didn't file one because you don't have to, then this most likely it's convenient for you, right? You're supposed to use this tool if you want to. Now, also, if you have a main home in the United States for more than half of the year, then you can qualify and use this tool, right? Also, if you did not get the full amounts of the first and second economic impact payment, you may use this tool if you're not required to file a 2020 tax return or want to claim the 2020 recovery rebate credit and you get your third economic impact payment. Talking about the stimulus check, right? So if you don't receive your money, you can use this tool. If you didn't have to file taxes, if you didn't have to file taxes, you hadn't received your money, you can use this tool to get your money, okay? Your stimulus check, as well as obviously the child tax credit, right? You have dependents. Again, I just said the ages that qualify. So if you need more information, make sure you check my other video. I explain a little bit more. And you can actually check one of the websites, the articles that explains a lot more, right? This shows right there, okay? Now, you can't use this tool if you filed or plan to file a 2020 tax return. If you claim all your dependents on a 2019 tax return, including by reporting the information in 2020 using the non-filers, enter payment info here, or also you were married at the end of 2020, unless you were married at the end of 2020, unless you use the tool with your spouse and include your spouse information, or are a resident of a U.S. territory, or do not have a main home in the United States for 1.5 of the year. If you are married, your spouse does not have a main home in the United States for 1.5 of the year, or do not have a qualifying child who was born before 2021 and had a social security number issued before May 17, 2021. Okay, so those are the tools. That's the information, the details that you're not eligible and you're not qualified to use this tool. Okay, so make sure you're eligible. It gives you another bracket right here. Says how it works and what you need. Okay, what do you need? You need your full name, your current mailing address, your email address, your date of birth, your social security, your bank account number, because it's going to deposit money into your bank account, which has to include your routing number and your account number, your identity protection personal identification number, your IP PIN. Okay, so you'll receive this one from the IRS earlier this year if you have one. Okay, if you don't, I'm not sure you have to worry about it. We'll see in future steps. You could just I think you could just put your social security number and you'll be good with that. How it works, use this tool to give us your information. We will automatically determine your eligibility and issue advance payments based on the information you give us. After giving us information, we determine you're eligible. You do not need to do anything to receive the advance payments, right? But it's simple. There's a button right here. You click on it. It's going to send you the next page. And this is a actual application from the IRS, right? This one is in .com. But since you clicked on it from the irs.gov website, then it's all good, okay? You don't have to worry about it. It says right here, submit information about your household to the IRS. So so I can determine if you are eligible for advance payments over 2021 child tax credit and any 2020 recovery rebate credit that you may be entitled to receive. Now, if you don't know how you want to calculate if you're eligible or not, they do have a tool. They do have this one right here, eligibility assistant. You can just check right here, check your eligibility, and they'll be able to help you out, right? I'm gonna make a video about this as well, so you can know, okay? So again, if you need any other questions, you can always check this website right here. This is in the White House Child Tax Credit. They give you English and Spanish information about it, right? Who qualifies and so on, right? It says right here, 2000, 3000, 2003, 3600, and so on, right? Like I said, I'm pretty sure 18 years old are able to qualify. And also, if you're also planning to do taxes, then obviously you could get free taxes assistant, right? But for this video, you're not gonna file taxes because that's the only way you can actually do this application, right? Only if you do not file 2020 taxes, right? So this is a free online form. It's signed by the IRS. Okay, so do not continue if you have already filed a 2020 tax return, right? Your 2020 gross income exceeds 12,400 or 24,800 as a married couple. Okay, so if you exceed that amount of money, you can qualify and continue this application. If you were married at the end of 2020 but will not include your spouse information when using this tool, then you cannot continue. If you use your spouse and can be claimed as dependents, then obviously you can't continue. Your main home is not in the United States, you can't continue. You're requesting advanced child tax credit for a newborn in 2021. No individuals claiming recovery rebate date may continue. Okay, so that's a little a tricky one at the end. It says if you're requesting an advanced child tax credit for a child born in 2021, you can't continue. But if you're individuals claiming recovery rebate credit, then you may continue, right? And by that I mean obviously that your stimulus check is missing, right? So make sure you check that. That's the only way you continue. And then good news, when you use this online form to simplify return, the IRS will also determine if you're eligible for a third economic impact payment. If you're eligible, there's nothing else you need to do to get your payment, right? So you guys already know if you haven't received it, they'll determine and they'll actually issue the third stimulus check, right? So let's get started. You select get started. It's going to ask you for your email address. It's going to ask you to confirm your email. It's going to ask you for user ID because you're going to have to make a new user ID because you're brand new to this website. And you're going to put in your phone number. Make sure it's your proper phone number. Hopefully it's your cell phone number because as you guys know, ID.me, they have issues. If you guys did that with unemployment, they have issues with information. So make sure everything's correct, exactly the way it is with your taxes, right? Don't give me false information. Don't change, oh, it's my mom's house, but it's in my current house. It was different for my taxes. You have to use the exact information, the exact name, the exact way it's even written down in the application, and the tax returns from previous years and so on. So, or the exact thing that you have in your ID. Sorry about that. So you can actually receive your money, right? Because if not, if you're not supposed to file, then obviously you're not going to receive your money, right? And those receiving unemployment, you guys supposed to file. So if you're not going to be able to use this tool either way, right? Unless you're missing stimulus check, right? So you make a password and you confirm your password and you create an account. All right. When you create your account, again, it's going to ask you for information. It's going to ask you for your social security number and it's going to ask you for your bank account number, right? And with that, they're going to start depositing dates starting July 15. Okay. Starting July 15, they're going to start depositing money. It could be 300, it could be up to 500 per month per child, up to even 3,600 in total, right, per child, right? So make sure if you want to do that, go ahead and opt in. But if you don't want to opt in, then obviously you don't use it. And if you're actually just watching this video for some reason that you actually want to opt out, I do have a video about that, and you can check those videos out that I'm making right now, right? So make sure you watch those videos, and hopefully it's a little bit of information for you guys. I know it's a quick video, but this is the beginning to get you started. Obviously, you're gonna have to do is create an account. Once you create an account, you'll be able to actually do the application, and you're gonna receive your obviously your money on July 15. Okay. Again, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell because I got you many good information, many videos. Not only that, but free money. All right, free money in the description below. All you gotta do is click on the description, use the apps. Follow the steps with the apps and you're going to get free money, discounts on clothing, discounts on food, and many more discounts that I have right here for you guys, right? EBT, PEBT, food stamps, benefits, information videos, I have it for you. Unemployment information videos, I have that for you as well, right? So make sure you check those out. Make sure you subscribe to me. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. I make many videos right there. You can share them easily to your friends, and obviously I'll get credit for people who actually view my channel, right? Again, hit the like button, stay tuned to my new videos, and thanks.